Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use guitar effects in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can find all instruments you can play, you can find the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with adding guitar effects to our tracks. The first thing we want to do guys is go ahead and find the guitar option right here in the menu of instruments. So we want to scroll down until we find the guitar. As you can see, after scrolling we can find the guitar right here. So now we can get started. As you can see, we have multiple options we can choose right here on the beginning page. One of them is more sounds. So guys, if you do not want to use the acoustic guitar, you want a different guitar, you can click on more sounds right here, and this is now going to enable you to choose what kind of guitar you want. We have the classic, clean, hard rock, retro and roots rock, so you can select whichever option you want. Let's say we want hard rock. I'm going to click on it, and now this is going to open up this new menu where we can get started recording our guitar. So as you can see at the top of the screen, we have the big red circle that's going to enable us to start recording, and as you can see, you can play the guitar by tapping on the instruments. So as you can see, clicking on the strings right here is going to enable you to play the guitar. So click the big red circle and click the strings that you want to play and get started with playing. And now if you are satisfied after finishing your recording, go right here in the upper left corner, click on mixing mode, and as you can see here, you can now find your guitar and your track that you have made, and you can get started with adding effects. As you can see right here, by clicking the big sliders option, you can find new effects you want to add, echo, reverb and so on to get started with applying to your guitar. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.